Understanding Stove Grate, an English language guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stove grate. This is a common term you might encounter in everyday conversations, especially when discussing cooking or kitchen appliances. So, let's dive in and understand what it means. A stove grate is a part of a gas or wood-burning stove. It's a framework of metal bars or a mesh of wire or metal, placed over the stove's burner. This grate supports pots and pans when you're cooking. It's essential for providing a stable and heat-resistant surface for your cookware. Stove grates play a crucial role in cooking. They distribute heat evenly under the cookware, which is vital for consistent cooking. Without a grate, it would be challenging to place pots and pans on the burner safely and effectively. Additionally, stove grates can also enhance the safety of the stove by keeping cookware securely in place. There are different types of stove grates, varying in size, shape, and material. They can be made of cast iron, steel, or other metals. Maintenance of a stove grate is important for its longevity. Regular cleaning to remove food particles and grease buildup is necessary. Also, it's important to handle them with care as they can be heavy and may chip if dropped. To better understand, let's consider a few scenarios where you might come across or use a stove grate. While cooking pasta, you place the pot on the stove grate. Cleaning the stove grate after frying fish to ensure it's ready for next use. Shopping for a new stove and checking the durability of the stove grates. I hope this video has helped clarify what a stove grate is and its importance in our kitchens. Remember, it's not just a part of the stove but a crucial tool for effective and safe cooking. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking! Stay tuned for more useful English language tips and insights.